Okay, so I wanted to add a darker color back here. And you could still do it all in green, the regular green if you want. Let's see, I will take some shortening. Now, normally the real cake here, obviously you'd have buttercream, so you would just, it would just stick to the buttercream. And I am just gonna make it a little more hilly. Okay, so there's really no rhyme or reason. You could certainly do it in buttercream. I just like adding the different, textures and things. And I'm gonna put a little yellow dust on this, which I can't do on the buttercream. So real cake, you want to press more on the board, and up here just more spread it out and kind of push a little in and out. So you can come back and just rough it up a bit with this tool again. Add some more flowers back here. Luster, like I said, I'm going to use some yellow. Okay, and then around I can add some little patches of that. So knead up some little pieces. Sometimes I like to do this so I can push a little bit harder and then pop them on, and then you can come back and kind of gently do some and get your yellow on there. Okay, so this can help hide anything too. Right, maybe in here. It's okay to go over whatever you have on there, the flower, what part over. It's cute with part of it sticking out. And we don't need a lot of this, just kind of pieces here and there. Okay, I'm gonna work on the house now. I've got a ball of pink, and I'm just gonna roll it this way, and then just flatten it a bit. You can even use a fondant smoother, like that, and then just kind of even it out because it's a little uneven right there, like that. Then what I'm gonna do is just cut a little bit of the bottom off, like that. And then I will just make some little lines in it for the wood, like that, and maybe draw some extra lines. Now I find that instead of using water, we use shortening because we are attaching it to chocolate, that it's going to be a lot better. So we'll put that down like that, and we'll actually keep that out. Okay, and then we're going to do a little bit of a roof line. So for that, I want a cord. I'm going to take a pretty good cord here. And I thought I would try the cobblestone look. Cut here and here, and I'm just testing it right now. I might need to change the size. I was going to have it basically kind of like bent like this and out. So I think about that length there, and then it looks like I'll need to do cobblestone here in the front. Okay, like that, and then we'll do a window at the top. So I'll do it the same way we did the door. Actually, I think we'll make it an oval. Or let's do a round. Let's switch it. Let's do. So for the round, if you don't have a round cutter, just roll a ball, flatten it like that. A little shortening on the back. And place it right up here in the middle. Okay, and then I have yellow with a tip 18, which is a star tip. And I'm going going to do just squeeze and do a little dot for the door handle. Okay, and then what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to go back and forth. Actually, I'm going to squeeze and do a shell up and down. Like that. Okay, and then around here, I'm going to do one also. Okay, and then on the window,